had a fire here last night, or we made a fire, and it just lasted forever. The wood that we used, just look at this, it's ridiculous. I don't know where they got this wood from, but look at this. This thing is bigger than my head, and it's like legit just a piece of a tree. We had a fire and that just burned for so long. So it's Sunday morning and my dad is going to pick me up because we must take the caravan. Just take him and his girlfriend's caravan and drive it around because it's been standing in the garage for too long. I'm not exactly sure where we're going, where we're driving. I just know we have to drive it around, so I'm just waiting for him, and when he comes then we'll figure out where we're going. Okay, so we just did some shopping. I couldn't film much because I was driving. We'll show you guys what's in here, but we are getting the caravan now. So we're just gonna lock up here and go get the caravan. I actually want to see how well I parked. This car is so nice to drive. Could have probably parked a bit closer, but it's fine. It's fine. There she is. How cool is this? One day I'm gonna have one of these and then we're gonna travel. Honestly, like the coolest thing ever. I can't wait till I have one of these. I will just travel constantly. I will never be at home. I mean, just look at it. Something so nice. Let's put this here. Okay, so here we have some cabinets. We have the bed that's on top. I think about 2 people can sleep on there, and a little window. Some more cabinets, a little chair. There's actually 2 chairs on both sides, and that's the door. We have the kitchen, little mirror, and the bathroom is right next to it. And we have the kitchen, the sink. There's more cupboards for storage. So you can just store a whole bunch of stuff in here. And then we have a workplace where you can eat or like do some editing if you wanted to. Some more cupboards. Yeah, this is like overall such a cool car. Got a nice window. Got this shower in here. Little fan. To Cape Union mods. A new charging wire that's not gonna shock me while I sleep. Very excited about this, and it was $90. First one I got because it's kind of expensive, but they are gear ties. These things are excellent for anybody who does photography or videography, for your wires, your cables, anything. We'll see how they work. I got new sandals because Diesel ate mine, and I have just one of each. I have one of each, but this is what I'm currently wearing. Look at that. I got this one, which is a totally different one and like eaten up, and then this one. So I walk around like that and everybody's always laughing like, haha, it's so funny, why are you wearing one of each? And they look so bad. So we got new ones. No more laughing at me.